Let's learn about managing maintenance during unforeseen interruptions. I'm in a major bind and need to make some adjustments to our maintenance operation. Our organization needs to adjust all of the scheduled maintenance records and active work orders. Luckily, Impulse has tools to accomplish what I need. Here's what I'm going to do. I need to disable some of our scheduled maintenance records, adjust the due dates on active work orders, reassign work orders for technicians that have gotten sick and won't be available, make sure my email notification messaging is consistent with our current situation, adjust the due dates for unplanned work going forward, and finally, I need to ensure that we have the appropriate safety procedures to speak to the severity of our challenge. I'll start with our scheduled maintenance records. Current circumstances have put us in the position where we won't be able to perform some of our planned work in the next few weeks. I'm going to disable the scheduled maintenance records for these tasks so that Impulse doesn't create work orders. To do this, I go to Scheduled Maintenance Records. I've created a list view layout with the schedules I need to disable and a column showing the enabled checkbox field. I can put this list view layout in edit mode and uncheck these boxes. Now I just click Save. Okay, so we've just adjusted the due dates for our planned work going forward. Later, when I get into Management Tools, I'll adjust the settings to address the due dates for all of my unplanned work orders going forward, but right now I need to address the due dates for my active work orders. I'll go into Work Orders, Work Order Records to do this. I'll maximize my list view layout for my active work orders here. I can click the edit icon and manually update my due dates like this. Then I hit Save, and these have been updated. While I'm in Work Order Records, I need to reassign the work orders that are currently assigned to a maintenance technician who's sick and will be out for a few weeks. I have a list view layout showing all of the work orders assigned to Handy Andy. I can go through these work order records and replace Handy with Leo Mechanic until Handy's back to work. This is not only going to assign the work to Leo, but I can also set up an email notification letting Leo know he has open work orders. I'll enable the notification through Management Tools, Email Notification. Here we can see the email that goes out to the maintenance technicians with the task instructions and safety procedures, as well as the asset to be worked on. While I'm in Notifications, I'm also going to update the notification that goes out to my requesters detailing the nature of our challenge. I want to set the expectation for timeliness for our response. Here's that notification, and I can update the template by clicking the edit icon here. I'm going to change 1 to 3 business days to 10 business days and save. Like I mentioned earlier, now I'm going to adjust the settings for our due dates for unplanned work orders going forward. We're already in Management Tools, so now I'm going to go into Workflow, Work Order Preferences. I can see our normal response time for unplanned work is 3 days. Since we're understaffed, we told our requesters to expect a 10-day delay. I can click the edit icon and make the change here. Then save. Again, this is going to help me set the expectation for the timeliness of response. The last thing I need to adjust is the safety procedures that will be on the work orders we're handing out to our maintenance technicians. I want these safety procedures to communicate everything they need to know about maintaining health and safety as they are performing these tasks. To update the safety procedures, I go to Work Orders, Maintenance Task Records, and choose a task to update. I'm going to start with the default task for maintenance requests. Here I've done 3 things to ensure they get this information. I've included it in the text in the safety procedures. I've also embedded a hyperlink to an online document by clicking the link icon and pasting the URL here. And I've attached a file for the document to Media by clicking the link icon in the Media section and uploading my document here. Yes, this is redundant, but there's no shortage of opportunities to get this important safety information to my team. These tools have been really helpful for managing our maintenance operation, and I feel like I have a much better handle on this dilemma. For questions about this topic or any other topic, feel free to email us at support@impulsesoftware.com or give us a call at 800-944-1796.